makita yun ang inyong race bids. Kay din ha mahibawan kung kamo ba ang nidaog unya through sa inyong number. Again, please show your race bids right below the word run sa inyong t-shirt. Nya, dapat naka-register ng Okay, dapat na-register tanan. 12K, registered na tanan? Uy, wala man naningog. 12K, na-register na ba mong tanan? How about 5K? Please answer yes. 5K. Registered na? How about the 3K? Yes! Taas kong energy ang 3K niya. Pinakaduol ba yung naganan? Anyway, so, okay. Another very important announcement. Tanang categories, ang turning point ninyo, hibaw na mo asa yung turning point? Hibaw na mo? Okay, listen. Ang 12K runners, turning point is at Dikyok na quarry. Kanang sa main gate sa Dikyok na quarry. Nakadumdum, mutanan ba tayo ako? 12K runners, are you ready? Oy, kinahanglan ko nga kanang kusog o tubag ha. 12K runners, are you ready? Oh, hindi mo man ready ang 12K. Again, 12K runners, are you ready? How about 5K runners, are you ready? 5K, are you ready? How about the 3K runners, are you guys ready? Ang pinaka-ready ang 3K good. Chill na kaayo ang 3K. So I guess, magsugod na ta. Formation 12K runners. Formation. Okay, natay countdown, paminaw mo sa atong sound system. We have a countdown from 10 to 1, and then mag-0 pa na 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then gun start after 0. Ready na ang atong PNP for the gun start? PNP, are we ready? Do we have a gun start, PNP? Do we have? Wala? Start sa sounds. Okay. Paminaw mo na ay gun music sa sound system niya. Muna yung signal. 0 and then buto na yun. Ha? Ready na? Are we ready? Are the organizers ready na sa tubangan? Ready na itong mga meeting masters? Okay, I think we are ready. We shall now do the countdown for the 12K category.
Get ready for the countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Move forward, 5K runners. Okay, by the way guys, naatay mga gipang-invite yung mga photographers today. Daghan kayo ni mga pitik masters. Atong i-acknowledge ang air photography by James Malubat, recreation by Carl Eric Liaman. We have Joel Shots Vlog by... So wait lang sa takad-shot, dili sa kamusunod na yun. So again, atong i-acknowledge ang you ready? So nakahibaw na mo sa inyong turning point 5K ha? Ready? All together, let's do the countdown for the 5K runners.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Go, let's give them a big hand, 5K runners! Okay, move forward our 3K. Pakpak oy 3K category. Akong gihangyo ang 3K. Kamugay mo lead sa 3K. Nagagay mo sa front. Kaya ako sa gihangyo ang kanang SB member members mo follow. Sunod nila, tanang SB members together with your partner also. And tanang, once amay, asa man yung wife once? Didagan once? Hindi mo katong bibili. Ato sa tinaniyo ang tanang barangay officials to please follow sa ato mga SB members. All barangay officials, of course, headed by your barangay captains. Nakakanta ng kapitan, 17 barangays. Ako nakita na si Kap Andy Perales from Barangay Pugon. We also have Kap Piloy Amodia from Barangay Magaycap at tungo sa tubang Kap sunod mo nila mayor. Sunod mo, para hindi ang tuto ko. And then, together with, of course, Mr. Carson Morelio, Cons Amay, Kanang Juan, barangay officials, please, ato sa tubangan, giveaway. All barangay officials, tanang kapitan o tanang mga konsihal sa barangay, please follow mo nila mayor of device dito sa mga SK. Tanang SK officials. Paunahon na nila ato mga officials. Kaya kayo baho po at ato mga fast runners, ano lang po sa loyo-loyo tayo. Maapsa ang maghapon at ninyo later. Okay, by the way, we would like to acknowledge all our sponsors. We have Virginia Food Incorporated. Ito pagpaka ng Virginia! Nato yung free hotdog later. So nagluto pa ang Virginia. Nato yung free hotdog later. Sir, Virginia. We also have Fit Bar. Atong pagpaka ng Fit Bar. Asan Fit Bar na Fit? So nasa yung mga sample later ha, after running, you can go directly to their booths kaya para mangayo ko nila mga sample. We also have our Forbridge consumer. We have Vera Pineapple Soda. Asa ang Vera Pineapple Soda? Okay. We also have John Bellis Photography. Ano pa pangalan si John Bellis Photography? We have RD Pawn Shop. Asa ang RD? We also have Smart Communications Incorporated. Mga higala, atong mga sponsors for the Compostela Fun Run 2024. And now, are you guys ready? Again. Are you guys ready? We got big energy on 3K runners. Kunya, duro biya tayo ni. Again, 3K, kaya ba mo asa ang turning point? Your turning point is at Ken Gasoline Station. So again, ready na nila sa mayor ang sabay sa tubangan. Of course, together with the executive officers, nakita na po ang atong executive president. We have Mr. J. Juraya Tinio, na si Mr. Chai Chai tubangan, together with all the officials of the Fiesta Executive. Again, 3K runners, are you ready? Again, I need your loudest shout, huh? 3K runners, are you ready? Okay, let's do the countdown. Everybody!
Get ready for the countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, ang ating mga timers or okay. Second. We already have our first and second. You have your yarn. And our third. Please get the names. SK in charge, please get the names. And raise bib number. Uy, pila naman sila ka-minutes na dagan. Timer, lahi ang kuan ha. Open category lahi sa ng municipal employees. Natay first, second, third. Okay. Again, for municipal or government employees, first place will receive 1,500, second will receive 1,000, and third will receive 800 pesos for the 3K. For our 5K category, our champion or first place will receive 2,000 pesos. Second place, and of course, our 12K runners, 12K category, first place or our champion, Rona. You run si Rona. Please take note of the youngest runner as we will be giving out special awards. One male, one female for the youngest runner. And of course, and I'm the youngest runner, we will also be awarding the oldest. Was being announced, the correct route should be at Tumuliko sa Skina UP na yun highway to Municipal Hall. Ang ma-consider nga winner, katulad ni follow sa correct route. Kung wala kayo follow sa correct route, will be disqualified.
Sayangan ninyo.
Okay, ito mga finishers.